Sitting out here waiting for Guy's Pig and Anchor to open up. It's pretty nice out here. She's in line. I'm kind of holding down the spot. So looks like I'll have to wait a little bit for mine. But they're not going to be open. The show's still 12, but it's like 11:45, and they say go ahead and get in line, so they may open a little early. We'll see. I hope so. The last two times we've had Guy's Pig and Anchor was on the Vista. Just wasn't as good as what we've had here on the Dream. But we'll see. It's been several years since we've been on the Dream, so we'll hopefully it's the way it used to be. But you know how things are, things change. Don't know if they're serving yet or not. Hopefully they are.
Despite having.
Well, I didn't ask for 2 pieces of bread, but I'll take it. I ain't got enough meat. We're going to try it out. She says it's better than the Vista. We'll see. What kind of barbecue sauce you get?
Sriracha and Kansas, I think.
I love Kansas City. Pulled pork's pretty good. Pretty fatty on the brisket. There's only one way to do brisket, and that's the Texas way. Try it. Try it. It is definitely better than the Vista. We'll say that. And the Glory. Yeah, it's morning. Yeah, this is day 2 of this video. Yeah, after we ate lunch, I put the camera up and we didn't do much. I mean, last night we had fun. Last night last 2 nights we haven't ate at the main dining room. We just don't really do the formal thing anymore. We may do it in the future, but last 2-3 cruises we haven't. But they had the 80s pop show. And that was good. I really enjoyed that. Wife and I both did. And the night before they had the one night only. That was also really good. The one night only was the band that plays here on the ship. They call it the Dream Rock Band, and they really did a good job at all those songs. One thing about these cruise ships, these cruise lines, I'm sure it's the same with others, but especially Carnival, is they have, it was a talent contest, but like they have, they go and seek people out, and then they have people, you know, come and do rehearsals and stuff like that. And so they they get really good musicians, both singers, guitar players, piano players, drummers, bassists, horn players. And now, I don't think they have any horn players right now because of the whole pandemic thing, but because I kind of miss the horn players. I do. But they were really good. So that was the night before, and then last night was really good because after the pop show, we went to the Ocean Plaza and we saw that same Dream Rock band. They were playing country music, and you know, they did a pretty good job. I don't know, we were in there for about 20-30 minutes or something like that, and we were like, okay, all right, got our feel for it, and we came back up to the room and called it a night. It was, now the previous night we stayed up till like, gosh, midnight, 1 o'clock, because after watching the show, we walked like a mile up on the on deck 12. We did. We walked a mile. We didn't like a mile. We walked, was it 7 times around that little track that they have. If you walk 7 times around it, it's a mile. And we did that. You can't really tell that I'm still putting on weight. We've ate so much. And today is our last sea day of the whole cruise. And guess what's going to happen? I'm going to eat a whole lot more. But when we get home, shed off the pounds again, right? So, last sea day, this is kind of my tradition. Before the wife wakes up, I usually sit out here on the balcony, and sometimes I'll watch the sunrise if you can. Right now it's clouds, and just kind of wake up. So I'm actually thinking about going laying back down. I love sea days, man. I do. I just do. I mean, there's port. I like some port days, depending on what ports, but for the most part, anymore when I go on cruises, my wife's same way. It's more for the boat ride, and it's more just to relax and enjoy the ship. There are some places that we really look forward to going, like on this one it was Half Moon Cay. But when we do our regular cruises that we usually do, we usually enjoy going to Honduras and Cozumel, and Grand Cayman. Not so much Belize and Jamaica. But anyway, one of these days we'll have to go try some different ports out, like St. Martin and places like that. One of these days we'll do something like that. But with Galveston getting the new ship, the Jubilee, next year, I have a feeling that we're going to be on the Jubilee a lot. And yes, we will be on that inaugural cruise, Thanksgiving cruise on the Jubilee out of Galveston. So looking forward to that. So what's on tap today? Eating. We'll do sea day brunch again, probably. We'll do one last guy's burger, and then we'll do the main dining room for dinner. The comedians on here, Caroline Bacard and Jim Brick. Now there's a couple others I wasn't really too fond of, but Jim Brick and Caroline Bacard are my favorite, and they're supposed to be on tonight. So I'll probably be doing that alone. She's not really much for the comedy shows. I am. So I'll be doing that pretty much up late tonight, so I'll probably get a nap. Today we pack. So it's been a really nice cruise. It just is. And I can't wait to do the review on this because I just love the Carnival Dream. It's just a nice, comfortable ship. It just is. I mean, it doesn't have as much on it that the Vista has. Like the Vista has the Havana area, and it has the Italian restaurant, Cucini del Capitano. That's right. And that's what I miss on the drink. We don't have those two things on here, but outside of that, this is a real comfortable, inviting ship. It just is. It's older, you know, but it's just a comfortable ship where you do enjoy spending time on the Lido or on deck 5 on the what do they call it, promenade deck, and then the atrium is just so much. The atrium on this ship is probably the most beautiful that I've ever seen. It just is. I wish Carnival would go back to doing the grand atriums where they just look so big and elegant and stuff. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy the water and the rest of the sunrise.